Oh, bless, what a platform. Helping underprivileged children has always been in my heart. I have sponsored children from third world countries so that they could have things like clean water, clothes, shoes, food to eat, and most importantly, an education. I was sent pictures that showed my sponsored children in school learning. Those pictures warmed my heart. I wished I could have done the same for every child, but unfortunately that was just a dream, as I was not financially able to do that. Now, because of Oblast and MUFAREH, that dream will become a reality. Not only for myself, but for others who would like to contribute to many different charities. Ash's passion to help others has seeped into our very souls. Oblast will make it possible for all to help. Thank you, MUFAREH, for your overwhelming contribution to the world and to those in need. Oh, bless, it's coming.